Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the art of designing navigation screens with the Ionic Design Kit. Get comfortable and let's jump in. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're diving into coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. Right in the middle, see our designs thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator shows what we've coded live. Remember, you can pause this video anytime to catch every detail. And for those eager to try out the code themselves, our blog post has all the snippets you need. Today, we're spotlighting the navigation menu screen, your app's guiding star. It's designed to navigate users through your app seamlessly, ensuring they find exactly what they need without any fuss. The Ionic Design Kit simplifies creating this key component, offering a wide array of elements designed to improve navigation. The Ionic Design Kit is essential for designers and developers diving into app development. Based on the Ionic framework, it offers a wealth of pre-designed elements that seamlessly fit into your projects, cutting out the need to craft components from scratch and smoothing out the design process. For developers, this translates to direct coding with pre-made components, streamlining the development phase. Simply put, it offers a faster, more efficient, and cooperative method for bringing your app visions to life. Looking to elevate your Ionic skills? Explore intuitive design and straightforward development with the Ionic Design Kit. Stay creative and catch you in the next video.